it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to go from these to these. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I would like for you to join my family. Let's go ahead so I can show you what I'm going to be using to get my stove clean. So you're going to need the sponge, obviously, a spray bottle in which you're going to add cleaning vinegar and dish soap. Along with that, I'm going to use this product that I got from Amazon. I'm going to link below how to get this product if you're interested. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally just spray my stove all the way, all of it. Just going to spray my stove. Just going to get it very soaked. Do the same for your oven. So I'm going to take this product and I'm just going to add to my stove. Be generous with it, don't try to shortcut. Make sure to close your stove area where the gas comes out. You don't want product to go in there, so remember to do that. Go ahead and just let this sit at least 30 minutes while I'm doing everything that I want to work on. Here I have also soaked these with dish soap. Just added some dish soap there and some of that powder. So it has been a few hours. I'm just going to add a little bit of water because it really got dry. Some water to get that going. Take my sponge and I'm just going to wash that. So I ended up using these soap pads from the dollar store. There are like 10 of these. They look like these and they're blue. So the blue powder is soap. As you wash, the blue powder goes away and it looks like this. If I only had to use this, it was not gonna work. So pretty much all you have to do is just soak it a little bit in water and you just use it. You don't need to add soap because it comes with the soap. This was really hard to clean up this, and you have to really press on it. Make sure you're holding here so you're not like pressing too hard. You're holding this as you're washing. So that's what I'm gonna use to just clean the whole oven. So if you have a dollar store close by or whenever next you go to the dollar store, make sure to grab some of this. They're very good. This is where I usually store my baking stuff. Let me know if you also use this area to store some stuff. I'm so glad I had these in the house. It's so easy to use. And I also get these from the dollar store. They come in a pack of like 2 or 3 sometimes. And I get like a set of blue or red or black, and I just use it around the house to clean. So when you cook and you want to keep your food warm, you can just take the pot or whatever it is and put it in here and close it. This is supposed to keep your food warm longer than just leaving on top of the stove. So that's what I use it for if I'm not storing my baking pans in here. It's all clean. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the outside of my stove and we'll be done. So I went ahead and cleaned all the stove knobs and everything else off camera, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back. I also clean these tops for the stove. Let's go ahead and put that together.